The other side is really quite dark, so I can start to put in the darker hatching like that. Now the centre line is getting a bit lost, so once I've done this, I'm going to go and get that centre line in a bit better, like that, and then I can build up the darkness on this side, leaving this part light, and it will give you that contrast that we need. I'm going to take some of it out to the outside, but lighter, like that. And you can see slowly, taking each feather one by one, that you slowly build up the contrast, and you end up with something like that. Okay, and you can extend that. You can use watercolour to add a splash of colour here and there, or if you're happy with your black and white picture, just leave it like that. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see your finished results soon. Happy drawing, everyone. Bye.